Hello, my creative friends. It's Jelly Bean. I want to share something with you today, something I'm really excited about. But before I get into that, I have a few things that I want to share and tell you. Um, I haven't been joining any swaps or anything. Um, Not everyone knows, but I've got a really bad back and I've had 3 surgeries. I have an implant and they are wanting to do another surgery sometime here in the near future. I need to have the implant taken out and I need to have the pins and screws and rods put in my back. But anyway, I haven't been joining any swaps because I have to work at a pretty slow pace and I don't want to join anything and disappoint anyone. So for right now, I'm just trying to come up with some good ideas and do some tutorials, and I'm still around. I'm still going to be uploading to YouTube. It just may be a little bit slower right now. But I do want to thank all the ladies who have sent me racks and Happy Mail. It's really been awesome when days are not so good and you check the mail and there's something really awesome in there, which everything everyone sent has been awesome, and I've just been overwhelmed with the generosity and the ladies of the group. Paper Crafting, Swapaholics Anonymous, and Michelle, who is one of the admins there of the group. She's wonderful. I think she's the one that actually talked to everyone about sending the Happy Mail. So thank you, Michelle, and thank you, ladies of the group. It's much appreciated, and I very much enjoyed it, and I love everything you have sent. Some things I hadn't seen, and I was just really excited because some things I hadn't seen and I thought they were awesome. But anyway, not to talk too long, I want to get to what I've come up with. I have created something that I think everyone at all levels would be able to do. Something that can be made your way but still fun to swap and share and send for Happy Mail. So without any more delays, let me show you what I've come up with. I know how everyone enjoys the embellishment boxes with all the embellishments. I love them, but they get kind of bulky to try to store. They're also, the bigger ones with the hump in the middle are kind of bigger and bulkier to try to ship. So I tried to find something that I thought we could put embellishments in that could hold a lot, that wouldn't be a lot to ship if you don't put a bunch of heavy stuff in it, but something that everyone can make, that the materials would be easy to find. When I made the dressers, I thought those were a good idea, but the materials are hard to find. Everyone can't find the boxes at Dollar Tree. So this is something I think everyone would be able to do. And I call it the embellishment wallet. And you'll see why here in a minute, but this is two 12 by 12 double-sided pieces of cardstock. It is from the Prima Rose Quartz collection. I glued the two pieces together and made one long one. I will do a tutorial of one of these, but I wanted to show them to you first. Make sure y'all want a tutorial before I do one, because it's going to take me some time to do one. I have a hard time sitting for long periods of time or standing. I have to rotate a lot, so it's kind of hard to sit and do one craft. But anyway, I put a belly band on it, and I use lace for the belly band because depending on what each person wants to put in it, it can be adjusted. I was going to put a button and do it, but depending on how much stuff you put inside, it may not hold. So the button is more decorative, and I think a belly band is a better choice for it. Now, on the back of the wallet, just like most wallets, I have a little pocket back here, and I've got all kinds of stuff in this pocket. I just took some vellum, and I took the vellum, just a regular piece of white vellum like this. I took it and used my blender tool and put some ink on it, and then covered lace and glued this lace around the edge. I've got clothespins holding on this pretty heart. It's a die cut. And then in the pocket, I've got some little, I think these are acrylic flowers. They're stickers, Martha Stewart little acrylic flowers. I also have some paper flowers, just some little paper flowers. I've got a new setup, so I'm trying to learn where to hold everything inside the frame. I've got some bling stickers that I put in there. Try to get the glare off. And I got some lace. And this thing holds so much. It holds a lot more than what I thought it was going to hold. Here's some more lace. I've got some journaling cards in here that I had a set. It just come in. The journaling cards come in the set. I've got like 5 or 6 journaling cards in here. And these are all from different sets. I didn't have enough left in my rose quartz. I think this is from the rose quartz. The Do What Makes You Happy. But I didn't have enough of the stuff cut out to... Well, I didn't have enough left in my book to do all rose quartz, and I wanted to show you what all it would hold. So let me stick this over here, and I'm going to open it up and show you on the inside. Just like a wallet, everybody's wallet's a little bit different. No two are the same. I think these are going to be something that everybody can alter and do the way they want theirs, and have, you know, it'll be fun to see how everyone interprets their wallet. And if anybody makes one, I would love to see what you make. I'll have my email down below. You can send me an email, or you can post a picture under here. I don't know if you can do that on YouTube or not, but or just send me a message and let me know you made one. I'd love to see what you interpret as your wallet. But anyway, when you first open your flap to your wallet, I have a little band right here that I created, and I've got some altered paper clips on it. And the bow I just made with my mini envelope punch board. And this little flower I just got in a rack, one of the racks that I received. And I just put it on a paper clip. And let me see if you can see. I took some foam tape and just kind of curled the paper under the foam tape and put it on there so there would be room back there for the paper clips. Over here, I made just a tuck ribbon spot. It's just a piece of lace with a ribbon, pink ribbon behind it. So you can tuck things in behind here and hold them. These were a couple cards that I cut out of another set. This come in a set of scrapbooking stuff I bought at the drugstore. Actually, it's just ABC punch out things, and I got a little clothespin on it. When you open your wallet more, ta-da, it's like a wallet. Right here, I have a little pocket, kind of like what you would keep your dollars in, and this is the first one that I made, and I had this vision in my head of what I thought it was going to be, and I've made another one. I'm going to show you. I'm going to do a separate video on it. I've made one In another theme, I made it a Halloween theme. This one's my shabby theme, but it's different too. So I'm gonna show you some different options. But this one, I have a pocket here, and I just took some cheesecloth, and I took my blender tool and I dabbed on some ink on top of the cheesecloth, and I also kind of scattered some stickles on there to give it a little bit of glitter. Put some lace on there, and right here on the top I have a couple clothespins, little tiny pink clothespins, and I had it holding on some of the little tiny mini file folders that can be altered and used for embellishments. I got 3 of them there. So I got those, and there's a stick pin here. It's like the hat pin with the flower on it. I don't know if you can see it or not. Right here. There we go. See? And this is like 3 different layers of lace down here. I've got this lace, this little trim. There's lace on the sides and this lace. And then these are some die cuts right here, the black. Also in the pocket, I've got some binder clips holding closed a little bag of buttons. This was a cute little bag that I received in a swap that I did with Rosa. Hi, Rosa. But I've got a bag of buttons. I've got a little butterfly clothespin on the side here. It's just a little, it's like sheer organza fabric, a butterfly. It was in a sticker kit. And then I got some pink heart bling sticker right there. I have some more journaling cards that just come from different sets. I was just trying to show you how much actually fits in here, because it holds a lot. More journaling cards. And then that's that pocket. If we go over here on this one, what I did is I took a library pocket for the library cards, and I put an envelope on the front of the pocket card, or the library pocket. And so I've got some tuck spots. I've got 2 tuck spots on behind the envelope. There's a small one right in behind the envelope here, and I just got some more cutouts and inferior and stuff. Back here is a longer one that's got a few tags and just some more cutouts and stuff. And then inside the pocket, which is velcroed down, I've got some ribbon, a little roll of ribbon. There's about, it's almost a yard. Little tiny bag of doodads. Everybody likes doodads. And just a couple more bling pieces that I have that I stuck in here. Here's dragonflies and butterflies. Just bling pieces that I've got in there. And that's what's in the envelope pocket. And then down here at the bottom, you know how most wallets have the picture flips that you flip through and you have your pictures and everything? Well, that's my theory behind this right here. And actually it's just some little coin envelopes that I washi taped in there to look kind of waterfallish. But behind that I put another library card so we could put more stuff in here. Let's see if I can get everything out. I got some Tim Holtz flowers and just some more cutouts and die cuts. Got another paper clip, altered paper clip right here with the little flower that I was given in Iraq. I'm gonna pull this over where you can see it better. Alright, my coin envelopes, I actually have a bobby pin with some bling on the end to kind of make sure in shipping everything don't fall out, and I have an altered paper clip here that was gifted to me in Iraq. It's just, I just thought maybe if you're shipping it you might need to secure it a little bit, so I put those on there on the front just to make sure. Inside the coin envelopes I took and I put washi tape across the top here, and then I put it in an edge punch and punched it. So it's just coin envelopes, washi tape down, and I put washi tape across the top and punched it. I have a little note card. I have a die cut. Ooh, I'm still using my crazy holder. It bounces. And in this one right here, we've got a couple more die cuts. And this one here, we have a ballerina, bling, whatever, washi samples. Got a card with some washi samples. And in this last one right here, this is some little punch outs of the corner guards that come with most scrapbooking kits here. And you just punch them out. I just put those in there. And excuse me, my sinuses are not good today. This heat has been bad. It's been so hot here. Okay, the last part over here is a little vellum envelope. I didn't make the envelope. I got it in a little kit thing that I picked up somewhere. I don't remember where. It could have been at the thrift shop that I go to. She gets a lot of stuff like that. But I decorated it with some washi tape, the gold and the pink, to match everything. This is a pinwheel altered paper clip that Rosa made in our swap. And inside of here, I have some wood veneer cutouts. Just some hearts, flowers, hearts and flowers. And when you flip it over, I actually glued a crochet dolly down, and I just folded down one side and put some ribbon in it, and I wrapped some pearl trim around the little tag here, and I put that in there. And there's also some more die cuts. So this really holds a lot, and I think just about anything that you put in the embellishment boxes, there's a way that you can put it in here. You'll see in my next video that I do with the Halloween one that there's different ways to do it depending on what you're going to put in it. But if you look, all of this stuff right here, let me try to get it all over here. All of this was in here in this one embellishment wallet. So I think these are going to be really cool. I hope someone will swap them. I have one already done. I can do that swap. So anyway, I hope y'all like this. I'm real excited about it, and I'm going to go ahead and do the Halloween video of the Halloween wallet, and I'm going to upload them about the same time. So if you're watching this one and it's not on there, it will be on there really soon. So anyway, please like and share. I'm almost at 100 subscribers. As soon as I get there, I'm going to have a giveaway, and I hope everyone has a crafty day, and I'll see you real soon. Bye bye.